What I'm doing right now, I'm basically getting ready to solder a part. I line it up, right? And here we go. That's a selective soldering. We did receive a machine, a selective soldering machine called KISS 102. Basically it says keep it simple soldering. So that machine basically solders for us. Before the machine, we did every order that came through here. Until now, we used to do them by hand. We solder with an iron. With the new machine coming in, basically that part is 80% gone. I'm happy, I'm excited just by talking about machine because I can see a different product. The solder that comes up, the points, it's perfect. There's no cold solders. That basically makes it perfect. Yeah, I started 15 years ago. We used to do things, everything was by hand. We couldn't do as much as now by far. Now we do loads of huge loads. I think it's great for ACI, great for our department because the quality of the product is perfect. Until now, it was good until now, but with that, it makes it even better by far.